Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to localize the option apps, so let's tap. Then let's tap on see all 40 apps. Of course 40 apps, in my case you can have a different number. And after entering this list, let's tap on the 3 that's icon in the right upper corner and go to reset up preferences. And here your device is informing you what it will actually reset, so among others disabled app notifications and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps. And basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.